To add a token on Phantom Wallet using a contract address, you need to follow a series of steps. First, open your Phantom Wallet and click on the Add Token button. Then, select the option to add a custom token. In the next screen, you will be asked to enter the token contract address, token symbol, and decimal places. The contract address is a unique identifier for the token and can be found on the token's official website or on a Blockchain Explorer website. Enter the contract address in the required field. Then enter the token symbol, which is usually a 3 or 4 letter abbreviation of the token's name. The decimal places refer to the number of decimal places the token can be divided into. And this information can also be found on the token's official website or on a Blockchain Explorer website. After entering the required information, click on the Add Token button to add the token to your Phantom Wallet. You will then see the token in your wallet, and you can use it to send, receive, or trade the token. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct contract address, as using the wrong address can result in loss of funds. Always verify the contract address on the token's official website or on a trusted blockchain Explorer website to ensure its accuracy. By following these steps, you can easily add a token to your Phantom Wallet using a contract address. This process allows you to access and manage a wide range of tokens, and it is a crucial skill for anyone using cryptocurrency.